Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and today I'm going to be working on a little cute sewing pattern that will make a really special handmade gift for someone you know for Christmas. So he's a little koala and I've got another little friend here. They're really cute. This pattern is by Peppermint magazine. I'll add the link in my description box, and you can make a koala, a kookaburra and a platypus, but today I'm just going to make some koalas. So firstly, grab all your supplies. You'll need fabric, pattern pieces, stuffing, felt and the usual sewing tools like thread, pins and tailor's chalk. I'm going to scale this pattern up to make the koala bigger. So to do that, I just increased all the way around the pattern pieces by 4 centimeters. I ended up actually scaling the arms, legs and ears by 2 centimeters. I did try it as 4 centimeters, but then once I cut the pieces out and had a look next to each other, they were way too big, so I had to change that. Cut your new pattern pieces out. And then begin cutting each piece out of your fabric for the body, arms, legs and ears. Then grab your black felt and cut out the eyes and nose. Once you are happy with their size, it's time to start building this cute little guy. Start with the arms, legs and ears. Pin your pieces together and then sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. Then clip your curves. Flip them right side out. Now I'm going to grab the arms and legs and sew little paw lines on them. Just like this. Now stuff the arms, legs and ears with your stuffing. I use the end of a paintbrush to help stuff it really, really tightly. Now, let's attach the arms, legs and ears to the front body piece. You can measure the space between each piece, but I'm going to eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect, remember? Pin each piece onto the front and then jump over to the sewing machine and baste stitch them down. This isn't the way the pattern says to do it, but I find the bulkiness really hard to get an even seam. So I always baste stitch the pieces onto the front first when making softies like this. Double check the seams have all sewn down nicely. Fold your arms, legs and ears in, lay your back piece on top. Keep the arms, legs and ears folded inside the front and back pieces. Pin the edges all the way around and sew. Don't forget to leave a space at the top of the head between the ears so you can pull everything back through. Now flip your softie back the right way out through the hole at the top of the head and poke out the corners, and then you are ready to stuff the body with toy stuffing. Now it's time to grab your thread and your hand sewing needle, pin the eyes and nose on the face and slowly stitch around each piece to attach them. It's up to you which type of hand stitch you use, but I'm just doing a really basic stitch. If you want to, you can also stitch a little mouth like I did, or just leave it plain. The best thing about making softies is that you can totally customize the face however you want. Lastly, hand stitch up the hole at the top of the head, and then we are done. If you want to have a go at making your own, head to the link in my description box to purchase the pattern. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely Christmas.